Breaking news. Fresh bombardment resumed in Lungachuk on Nuer civilians early today morning, July 18.2025. President Salva Kiir has challenged 2 days ago by one Nuer politician reminding Mr. President Kiir for what he promised to the citizens of South Sudan by saying, "I will not take this country back to war." But by now, civilians are being bombed and he didn't say anything on what is going on. President Kiir once say, "If I go anywhere for country trips, Dr. Riek Machar is the one who will be in charge of the country. And if anything happened to me, Dr. Riek Machar will succeeded me." By now, it seemed like President Kiir has been influenced by people who care for their interest, not for the country. Here are the speech of the president where he promised the country people for the future.
Powers of the president have to be given to Riek Machar. Riek Machar is determined that Mafi Zoltan Ekun Beni Ubenu. He must be number 2 to me. So that when I go for Mamuriat Betayal Katira Nabamchi Fogda, he remains acting. If I die, then he succeeds Sawali. He becomes the president.
Fellow citizens, I have said it time and again that our country will not go back to war. Let no one take law into their hands. The government which I lead will handle this crisis. We will remain steadfast in the path of peace.
In this speech that display to you now, Mr. President himself, the President of South Sudan, General Salva Kiir say, "Dr. Riek Machar is number 2 to me. If anything happened to me or I die, Riek Machar will succeeded me." Dear President, all we need is peace in this country. May you free your colleague and comrade Dr. Riek Machar from house arrest, so that the peace that you always preach in every occasions may get place. Give peace a chance, as we all know you are a man of peace, but you have been influenced by bad spirits. Come back to your feet and continue with 2018 revitalized peace agreement. Let the people of South Sudan breathe once and for all. Thanks you, dear President. Go explore 251.
Marla Mediliam Kadial, I shall come a shalingo. Rajama, Rain Mova Condial, Parain Mogua Guardian, Conadian Tangwama. Charcomanch Conlin child at the Tokoine. And Quarren Capsa Sudan, the General Salva Kiir Mayardit, take a good teacher writing, Kogwam is a I no point there, Nam Nine Dial. I take a right teacher Latki and go that. Caroine teacher latter, I can tell that this South Sudan dial no can change a bit knocker cor and knock. Right a much lat cake be there than check a machine. I done work te guame chakotchal charitin, a lada general Dr. Machar, a jella ramaraudomo, Casa Sudan and Guame. I may take a guamo watten. Kalat kuma, kick a jalo witch. Milana window cocaine cadwall. Ramandan and Dudut, Whitman Boya dut cateda, a Dr. Machar, Talaramradian. Camu a toga no take a move to a car. Kielu. A Ramadan and Bialquer a Dr. Machar, Roya Machela the joint Nam Nana Dial. Cachadeling, Cachai Cabo, Keturuni Chilkaman who conflant Nan Tabango and Yodaka. Roya Mola the point that Quan Salva Kiir Mayardit. A Kajan Ladijaboka yet ago, Kojan knew the general. Arab me chicken that girl, need Dr. Riek Machar thing. Jaramolo Boko, and me take a wami, Chiquaro and Kate Michitoga Quaro, a Jaramandana dead of Kawacher writing Chalat, Katuk Dejan. I do not take a mukula to a woman. Gwen Salpa came, Nick on annoyed them. Chet Dr. Machar to the local appointment. Jet Uncle Dr. Machar, can no idea no decker let care. Care decan Wisa Sudan, decan Ladeka care Canada. Jepta Lamaro Lava Dr. Machar, do no again. Take a native jet, take a chart to jet to Lajachum. te kwai la jako buwe ti bejia kakide. Katangwa nuwo jojen ojen la yo no ke wargang ni. Ti chagor nuwa me chago goten baga nonga. Dong warga kela da wila maja gwa ba warga mi jiak mi chaga la ka kanedi chab jiak to. Ten chira lat kora. A bika wargang ti jiak bikan go gor. Tangwa na dong chikwan wat warga ka siya bunga ya gwa. Ko dong kai chulana e jaya ay nama na ba warga ga mumbe tay. Nien tan dana la wuja na kanda tanere poknat. Chie mala charjan. Den kukon na lingo kwa nuga tin pilot ke dwala tin pilot heno. Bala dialin tiping. Padeka maruya taman ya swalem. Baka chieka gwa kut jen te joya no tega jichab yang ritatin. Tilat kay chab tijek. Kane tau kane lat ka tijek ko pin ko wisa Sudan o daro nyama didi. Kieder dere chubode. Akan chikan der ko bu wisa Sudan bay chop kane tau. Kandi chab yang do tau tichera. Jot ray nato lat ka tijek ka kam nat. Chikwan Salva Kiir lar ka duwala ga tapay dola kan diong tapay wati eno. Ba chek medid ba jalat. O ba ne de kon ta ka pad ba ba chekan dial. Amite rama jo yeno lat tijek ray pata ka ara mo poinda ba ye wuch. Chikwan Salva Kiir kara ya malat. Kaka jo yeno raja modero gwada ka tok. Ande kontalan dilabo ano mulo de jam guano baroy Michel karajon bejo gor. Andara muga kwijisa kwineno kone chalegisa Sudan dial. Kona madar muga ukide. Anyaw berne jiti jin kwan Salva Kiir ya di no. Di rama ladian ke aldi Dr. Machar enta la duelien ka. Ka doma kene ngaja gwa. Adi jaka bara duelien ka ko di let kun. Te chia kap chong ka gwa de chewo, de yen kenya ko mugurian ka ken cher kalan malka. Male chia tain kron kin dang ra wiro wal wadak ke chewo. A de yala da mo de yen nya ko mugurian na kel nya ko. A cher ka gwa da. En benda utara mo cha aftin, ko babara dunien ka kie bijalo indunien ka. Te ga tum want to go to dar no. So Sudan mu kwiji jenta mu kwar, ni Salva Kiir ya dit. En wo chi Dr. Mo cha kielo indunien ka. Jan tega tung want to go to the no long ka South Sudan. Amanyam, a day yo South Sudan, deka Lloyd Ping. Muluno, de sanction at a contin. Jaso Sudan cha sanction kaka. De tankin de woka muyota ka pinko, munam ka jano nong mal, ki nong malan talk. And de sanction door de woka mi wake tankin a kuma merkam. And no more medato, which is Dr. Machar miche kamra dulian ka. Namo arain matok a katala kaiten. A michirar lat kal ke jinis ni Dr. Machar miche lo dulian ka bo. Det yon ten kon ne charep kaso Sudan. And de ka banping. Mado dian and de guapo ten along o michi Dr. Machar kana nedan kon chike yen kel chirke honorable potka mala kwerja kumudir kaso Sudan michi ka lo inkeri. Dere tega dua mudong de liet South Sudan de nyoko gurgwa no de nyoko knuken akana mo dere wait South Sudan dere jalo boko a de ta yono ka daro nyoko dalaka ko de kuma dere tega dere yo dere ka nyoko mijeka kechi antama ka tai ti yo chika bat ka South Sudan na no mona charek mudira long antama ka South Sudan ko ti jumwana to mo an chigre je winu to goal Gor kan mal ken ka South Sudan kamala to tana gwam baga pektin mi cha jat South Sudan mi cha beleb ke cha bi gor gwam gwam ko getin ko de yo de ko lon ka South Sudan amo na mo wo ko nyam ka gwam bar be nyu da no bi South Sudan be chu jalong ko ni yo ton kon belat kan ka kap ke kwar panken abigatel akatala mi bin no ko no be South Sudan Bainyo ko no ko beden ka ya ko antama. So Sudan no gedin ko ngai ke je te ka lia da mitte gwa ko ka. Mabiyo ka nisyan. Ka kuja mo ko ta lia ta ja gak chiwi to kong changor so Sudan o der den ka yu. Cha ka wal bang cha so Sudan cha bunuk den. O te ka yu to banang ko ngai jen o so Sudan te ka sanction te cha sanction ka. Mekana no malan token gorka dar no we do it monto cocaine. And cha so Sudan chai willing a wita cocaine, cherko deno ko dara yo denakaden. Kia dara mai dara kok, kukwiko bawe da bega. A kamaito kone cha koklanu, tacha guau banang ni chapaka. A cherka manche togan wala ka lumachuka no cha lumachuka ya book kare nelle. A book nato kona la halet and chiangre raka lumachuk. A namo karoid mijia kacha guaka queen and the corner terry witch. A tin kula civilian tin de kula gamnake a ditch. A tan kuma Uganda mantarai wake us was Danbo. Mijaki ko balo jockey below way dantama. Namone kel mudeji jako by yen kajajin corn salpo came ya dit. A ko de sang kenetum one alone. Deka which ki deka onko baga kambar ko beke janwa munong man. A jan gorganija win mondo den. A kakwija modir let alone ko dir man. And talk di yan non ka so Sudan ko rigi so Sudan dirke dega chiang kamal. A kade chiang diagan chi talk rewe ka so Sudan dere chutel. A kakwija mo a kan lata go ne ebuneka kambia yen liang ko dialan tan waman. A mijera mukaro matka yen chana la muke karo matka bonama. A goro de rod matka bonama kadero pijama. Ke chana la deja subscribe. Koder jin nam kel kaneda kona bula rajak. Ka wadan dong kine lar kine nong yekaje. Chilai da te da long katadun kel kane. Biataman.